my beautiful YouTube fam. So today's video is about a cooking vlog. It's a food vlog. Yes, I love to eat, so I love to cook. If you can eat, you can cook. That's why I'm teaching my kids how to cook. Actually, I have 3 sons and literally I am teaching them how to cook. So whoever ends up with the jackpot of marrying any of my sons, guys, you're going to be so blessed, because guess what? They literally know how to do everything. At least by then they will. Trust me. If I have anything to say about it, these men are going to know how to do everything, and I mean everything that they need to know. But that's not what today's video is about. It's about my shawarma, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Make sure before you leave today, though, click the subscribe button, like, comment below. Please do share with your friends and turn your notifications on, because you want to be the first to know when I upload my next video. Come on now, let's do this. Join the Dr. OJ Village fams, Dr. OJ Speaks TV. All right, y'all, stay tuned and I will be right back. Mwah! Love you guys.
So many of us got what to say, but we don't have the means, but we can listen, yeah. Things that we sharpen our vision, yeah. Oh yeah. Negativity getting out the way. By listening to us that we bring life, yeah. Plus it's got the voice of an angel, yeah. Dr. OJ, visionary, extraordinary. That burning like giving joy to the helpless. With the team bringing life to the dream. That's all we hear. Ruby, that's Sammy, and she's yeah. Transforming one life at a time. With the best voice that you have. The OJ keep on speaking for us. You're the voice you want to hear. You have the positivity. Dr. OJ keep on speaking for us. Dr. OJ visionary.
Okay, they started recording.
That's fine. All right, guys, today we're making shawarma, right? So basically I've kind of jumped ahead, and here, look at the bowl. So I have my coleslaw mix, and I put some red onions in there with, I put some sriracha sauce, some Heinz salad cream, some Thousand Island, the regular salad cream that I usually buy, and I think a little bit of, yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah, that's my sauce. So you see, I don't want it to be too saucy, but the coleslaw and the onions are gone. And I have some grilled suya meat, homemade. And the video guy is asking for his own piece going in his mouth so that he can continue to film me very well. But that's okay. This one is the fatty one. I love it. Let me get back on track before I finish all my ingredients. And then we have this beef sausage, really good. I love the sausage because it's smoky and it's meaty and it's so tasty, right? But I like the beef because I don't want to eat the pork and all that stuff, you know, heart health and everything. Okay, let's slice it up, and we're going to do the setup real quick. So just doing this quick shawarma video for you guys. Let me wipe my hands. Okay, so first things first. Video guy, are you here? Mr. P2, come on, boy. I'm just gonna make the first one for you guys to see real quick. This should be a quick assembly line, guys. It shouldn't be that hard. I like shawarma, so, and a lot of places don't know how to make it the way I like it, so I like to make it myself. You know what I mean? Okay. So we're going to put a very generous portion of sausage and stuff in there. I think I have good enough. This one is still stealing my suya. If I catch you. Okay, that video this thing and stop stealing my suya. Suya. Guys, you guys can tell I like food. I'm a foodie. Hey, I'm genuine. I'm all food. Thank God I know how to cook. Anyway, so that's it. So now I'm going to wrap this up.
Cooking.
Yeah, I'm doing it very, very quick, home style cooking today. So basically, I've wrapped it up. Here you go. I used a really large tortilla, flour tortilla. Let's go. Come. So we have it on. I'm not using my grill or nothing, so I'm just putting it on the stove, and I'm just going to use this heat, and I'm going to really old school style it here.
Seal it.
Yeah, seal it up. Yeah. So it's going to like really seal it up for me. So you see how I've wrap it, I've wrapped it like moi elewe. This one is shawarma elewe inside flour tortilla ewe. This is the ewe tortilla. You know what to do in Nigeria. If you're Nigerian, you're Yoruba, you understand what I'm saying. But if not, translation inside the wrapper, we wrap it. It's Nigerians that brought wrap. What you people that are doing salad wrap, California wrap, veggie wrap. Now lies moi elewe. That's where you got it from. All right, cool. So we'll just let it do what it do. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna turn it on high heat just so that I can have a quick grill on one side. And I'm gonna use my mommy hands. Don't try this at home. Pete, to show them what mommy is doing. So mommy hands, see, that part is grilling. It's grilling. It still needs to grill a little bit before we sort of flip it over. So I'm gonna round like my low rotation technique. Rotation technique in my cookie. So there you go. All right, guys. I think that side should be ready, right? What do you think?
Yeah, it is.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Because tortilla doesn't take time to cook, especially flour tortilla. Okay, it's not ready, but see, it's kind of like sealed it. It's crunchy, but I'm gonna let the other side go a little bit longer. There you go. So that's the rotation technique I wanted to show you. So I'm gonna get the other one done, and that's my shawarma. I'm gonna show you the finished product after this commercial break. You know what's up now. Let's go there. All right. Oh yeah, outfits now. Bye. All right, people. Shawarma is a go. It's a go. It's ready. So because it's not very hot, and I don't want to be a bad cook, teacher, example person, I'm going to use my spatula. But on a very normal day, on a regular, mommy hands. How strong you going? But here we go, guys. So here's what we're going to do. Here, I'm going to put it on a nice parchment sheet so that way it's able to be wrapped and everything. And then I'm going to grab my knife just to show you guys what it looks like on the inside.
Delicious.
Chef Lomo, you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's go there. Yeah. Ah, my dear, give you no. Chef Bailey's near be Schweppes. You should drop in the comments below. What would you eat this with? Is it Bailey's? Ice chilling, cooling Bailey's? Or the Schweppes tonic water? All right, guys, here we go. That's it. The shawarma is ready. Oti go. And that's it. All right, for the taste test. Okay, let's test it. All right, 1, 2, 3. See as my body is shaking. What does that tell you?
It's good.
What did you say?
It's good.
It is good. Very good, pa. Good, okay.
It's great.
Good ain't got nothing on this shawarma right here. Right here. Dr. Oje shawarma. All right, only just similar. Translation: the fat is melting in my mouth. Guys, it's all good in the hood, but you know, I love you. Bye, guys. Mwah. Guys, welcome to the month of September. The Ember months are right here, and it's like, where did 2023 go? But let me tell you this, no matter what the situation is at this point in time, just keep the faith and keep going. Keep doing what you need to do. Keep your hustle on. Keep the grind on, doing what you need to do, and God will make up the rest. Guys, listen, no matter how bad it is, you always have an opportunity to make things better for somebody else. Even if it's just a little compliment, something to put a smile on somebody's face. Make that your mission the last few months of this year to do that. Get out of your own head or your own space a little bit so that someone else's life can be better. But also a quick reminder for you guys that there's a lot of value to be had here with Dr. OJ, the med spa professor, the MC. If you have events for the rest of this month, I am taking bookings for the rest of this year. Of course, as your licensed life professional, I am also available to offer my free financial wellness education to help you position yourself better. And last but not the least, HD Pro Global is definitely open for business. Trainings are available, services are available, everything that allows you to transform your body and physical appearance in 90 days or less, we got you covered. So follow all of my pages at HD Pro Global and at DROJ Speaks. Once again, happy new month. Welcome to September. And you know, I love you. Come on now, stop playing. See you guys. Bye.
Mary.